Digital currencies and blockchain technology are poised to significantly transform the education sector by enhancing the way learning and teaching processes are managed. Here are some key ways in which these technologies are evolving education. Secure and verifiable academic credentials. Immutable records. Blockchain technology can store academic credentials in a secure, immutable ledger. This ensures that diplomas, certificates, and transcripts cannot be tampered with or forged. Easier verification. Employers and educational institutions can quickly verify the authenticity of a candidate's qualifications, streamlining the hiring and admissions processes. Decentralized learning platforms. Direct access to educational resources. Blockchain can support decentralized platforms where learners have direct access to courses, materials, and resources without intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing accessibility. Micro-certifications and credentials. Digital badges and micro-certifications can be issued on the blockchain, allowing learners to accumulate verifiable skills and knowledge incrementally.